Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check for updates in your Visual Studio. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So for this, just click on help here and then you will see this option which says check for updates. So we are going to click on this option and it's going to check for the updates here. And you can see it says update available. Current version is 17.14.13 and the latest version is this one, and it's also going to show you how much download size this update is. So it's around 1 GB update. So if you want to update, just click on update here and then it's going to start the download first and then it's going to update the latest version of Visual Studio. So you can see it says save your work before continuing. So I'm going to just close this window. And once I closed Visual Studio, I'm going to retry again. And now the update starts. So let's wait for the update to finish. And you can see current version is this one. And we are updating to the version 17.14.14, for example. Now, after a few minutes, I can see this message which says installation is complete. So I can close this window. And once I close this window, when I open the Visual Studio once again, we are going to see that we have upgraded or updated the Visual Studio version to the latest version, right? Let's click on help here and then check for updates. Now we will see that we are on the latest version of Visual Studio. So now you can see the installation is up to date. So this is how you can update the version of Visual Studio. I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.